Hey everyone, and welcome back to Custom Classroom by Angela. Today we're tackling a common challenge that many teachers face, finding practice STAAR tests for their students. First things first, let's address the elephant in the room. TEA does have release tests available. While these are fantastic resources to learn from, many districts reserve these tests for mid-year assessments, making it tricky for teachers to use them to practice within their classroom. So, what can you do? Well, fear not, because I've got your back. One of the best solutions is to use custom practice tests. I create practice tests and shorter chunks of important tested questions, much like the ECR writing portion, specifically designed to help your students practice and become familiar with the STAR format. Here are some benefits. Repeat exposure to new item types can greatly increase student success rates. They're written on multiple levels so you can differentiate for students who traditionally have struggled on STAR. There's a wide range of practice tests, warm-ups, and test cards to choose from. All My Test Prep also has a digital option, which is crucial since all the testing is now done online. But it's not just about finding test prep that works for you. It's all about how effectively you use it. So here are some tips to ensure your students get the most out of their practice. Consistency is the first. Schedule in regular practice every week to build endurance and familiarity with the test. You can't just review a few weeks right before the test. Discuss. Go over the answers together. Focus on why certain choices are correct and others are incorrect. This helps students see trends and what to expect. Be open. Talk about the test openly in class. Address any student fears or doubts. The more normal you make the test, the more pressure it takes off the students. And stay positive. Encourage a positive attitude toward testing and remind students that it's just one day. They are more than a test. In conclusion, finding a STAR test practice doesn't have to be a headache. Let me help you out and prepare your students for success. If you're interested in any practice tests, check out my store on Teachers Pay Teachers, or you can go to customclassroombyangela.com to learn more. I've got a wide range of resources for all tested grade levels available. Good luck.